Hello, my name is Adriano Menezes, and today I'll be singing I Think I Kinda You Know from High School Musical, the musical, the series. So much has happened, think of what we've done in the time that the earth has traveled around the sun. Winter, spring, and summer, and we're back to fall. We've been together hand in hand through it all. It's just 3 little words, yeah, it's not a big deal. It's not like I can help feeling all that I feel. And by now I'm sure you're thinking it's so obvious. But just in case it's not what I'm saying is this. What I'm saying is this. I think I kinda you know. I think I kinda you know. Like the way that we flow. I think I kinda you know. And you know, I think I kinda you know. I think I kinda you know, you know, you know. You know how we can talk all night and not run out of things to talk about. It's rare that something feels this right. It feels so right. I think I kinda you know. I think I kinda you know, you know, you know. I think I kinda you know. I think I kinda you know, you know, you know. I can't help dreaming of you. Yes, I'm saying I don't not love you. You know, you know, you know. Thank you so much.